Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. This Monday we are going to see isolated thunder showers across the eastern parts of South Africa. Over the western areas, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot in most areas. Then on Tuesday, we will continue to see some thunder showers across much of the interior. Now here on the latest satellite picture, we have quite a bit of high-level clouds streaming across the southern areas. We also have some storm clouds already giving us isolated thunder showers extending from the northwest into parts of the Free State. Now here's what you can expect for the rest of your Monday. We are going to have hot and sunny weather across the western parts of the country. We have a bit of fog along the west coast, but this is going to be lifting off as the day progresses. Over the eastern areas, we are going to have light rain along the eastern Cape coastal areas and that just an interior thunder showers extending from the northwest through the Free State down into KwaZulu-Natal and spreading eastwards into the Mpumalanga Highveld, into Gauteng and over western Limpopo. Then tonight we stay with light rain along parts of the east coast, and it's going to be partly cloudy to cloudy for the southern parts of South Africa. Up to a 40% chance of light rain can be expected this Monday along the eastern Cape coastal areas and that just an interior, and up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms is forecast for the rest of central and eastern South Africa, where you see the light shades of blue. Light to moderate winds are forecasted this Monday across much of South Africa. A fresh breeze, however, around DR coming from the northwest. Fresh to strong southerlies are forecast around the Cape Peninsula. Onshore winds can be expected between East London and Durban. Now we have a warning in place for high fire danger issued by the South African Weather Service. You will need to be very cautious around any open fires if you are in those areas highlighted by the shade of red across the Northern Cape and the northern sections of the Western Cape. Now with that, here's a look at top temperatures for your Monday afternoon. It's going to be punishingly hot for Upington with a high of 40 degrees. Pretty hot as well for Kimberley. Bloemfontein peaks at 35 degrees, a bit cooler for the northeastern areas. Mahikeng and Pretoria peaking at 33 degrees, 31 for Johannesburg and Mbombela. Highs in the lower 30s are also forecast for much of KwaZulu-Natal. Cooler as we go towards the eastern Cape coastal areas and the south coast, where top temperatures in the mid-20s are expected. Cape Town should make it to 31 degrees this afternoon. On Tuesday, the weather is going to be pretty quiet for the western areas, but thunder showers will continue from the northern Cape and the northwest, pushing down into much of KwaZulu-Natal. Then on Wednesday, we are going to see thunder showers across much of South Africa, light rain from George into Port Elizabeth and East London.